it's me Jade and welcome back to another Japanese lesson. Today we're going to be asking, how much is this? And answering with the price in yen. Let's go! In the last lesson we practiced reading numbers, so if you are a little bit rusty, maybe go back and practice. If you haven't even learnt any numbers yet, then make sure you check out my previous videos on them. Links are all in the description below. Okay, so Genki has a group of different images with their little price tags. The first item you see is a pen. So the question is, pen wa ikura desu ka? Pen wa ikura desu ka? Pen wa, regarding the pen, ikura, how much? Desu ka? Polite question. As we can see, the pen is 80 yen. You will probably not see prices written with that yen symbol in Japan, however. You will more likely see them written as such, with the kanji for en, which is their currency, yen. So how do we say it's 80 yen? 80 yen desu. 80 yen desu. 80, 80, en, yen, desu. Politeness. 80 yen desu. Let's do the next one. So we have a pencil. The word for pencil is enpitsu. Enpitsu. So instead of saying pen wa ikura desu ka, replace pen with enpitsu. Enpitsu wa ikura desu ka? Enpitsu wa ikura desu ka? How much is the pencil? How much is the pencil? It's 50 yen. 50 yen desu. 50 yen desu. Alright, next item. Umbrella. Kasa. Kasa. So the question, how much is the umbrella? Kasa wa ikura desu ka? Kasa wa ikura desu ka? Oh, it's 1,000 yen. How would we say that? 1000 yen desu. 1000 yen desu. They may also say 1000 yen desu. 1000 yen desu. I is the one part, sen means 1,000. In some cases they say isen to emphasize that it's 1,000 yen. In other cases they just say senen because sen already means 1,000. Number 3, newspaper. Shimbun. Shimbun. How much is the newspaper? Shimbun wa ikura desu ka? Shimbun wa ikura desu ka? It's 110 yen. 110 yen desu. 110 yen desu. Next item, book. Hon. Hon. How much is the book? Hon wa ikura desu ka? Hon wa ikura desu ka? It's 1,500 yen. 1,500 yen desu. 1,500 yen desu. Oh wow, well I highly doubt that we're going to be asking for this item nowadays, but how would you ask for a tape? Tape, tape. So, how much is the tape? Tape wa ikura desu ka? Tape wa ikura desu ka? It's 600 yen. 600 yen desu. 600 yen desu. Shoes. Kutsu. Kutsu. How much are the shoes? Kutsu wa ikura desu ka? Kutsu wa ikura desu ka? They are 3,500 yen. 3,500 yen desu. 3,500 yen desu. Okay, watch. We've seen watch a few times on this channel. Toke. Toke. How much is the watch? Toke wa ikura desu ka? Toke wa ikura desu ka? 10,000 yen. Okay, it's a fancy watch. How would you say it's 10,000 yen? 1,000,000 yen desu. 1,000,000 yen desu. Now the word man ends with an N, and then the next word, N. 1,000,000 yen. Smush man and N together, so it sounds like maen, maen. 1,000,000 yen desu. 1,000,000 yen desu. So don't get confused if you're out there in Tokyo and you're like, what are the people, what, how much? 1,000,000 yen desu. Bag. Kaban. Kaban. How much is the bag? Kaban wa ikura desu ka? Kaban wa ikura desu ka? It's 20,000 yen. It's a nice bag. 2,000,000 yen desu. 2万円です。Dictionary. 辞書、辞書. How much is the dictionary? 辞書はいくらですか？辞書はいくらですか？ It's 8,000 yen. 8,000円です。8,000円です。Again, 8,000 円. They probably won't say 8,000円です. They'll smoosh them together. 8,000円. 8,000 yen. It's almost like there's a y sound in the middle. Anyway, I digress. Jeans. 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 How would you say, how much are the jeans? Jeans はいくらですか？ Jeans はいくらですか？ They're 9,000 yen. 9,000円です。9,000円です。Bicycle. 自転車。自転車. How would you say, how much is the bicycle? 自転車はいくらですか？自転車はいくらですか？ 25,000 yen, which is very cheap for a bicycle in Japan. So grab it while you can. 25,000 yen. 25,000 yen. Okay, 2 more items. Notebook. Noto. Noto. How much is the notebook? ノートはいくらですか？ノートはいくらですか？ It's 450 yen. 450円です。450円です。And finally, hat. 帽子。帽子。How much is the hat? 帽子はいくらですか？帽子はいくらですか？It's 2,800 yen. 2,800円です。2,800円です。And that's it! We did it! Nice! In the next lesson, I'm going to be testing your listening and understanding. I will be saying the prices in Japanese. You've got to let me know how much that is in English. Let's see how well you do. If you enjoyed this lesson, give me a thumbs up to let me know. Ask any questions you have down below in the comments. And subscribe to see more. See you then, guys. Bye! Mwah!